Computer-assisted telephone interviewing, or CATI, is a remote research mode in which live interviewers conduct surveys vocally through a telephone while recording responses in a mobile application. CATI surveys differ from face-to-face surveys in that CATI surveys can be conducted remotely, samples are limited to the mobile-owning population, and demographic information is self-reported by the respondent. At Geopol, our CATI survey projects are conducted by experienced survey interviewers who live locally to the population being studied. The interviewers are trained by Geopol managers on how to use Geopol's proprietary CATI application to guide and document the survey process, as well as professional ethics standards, principles of interviewing, how to answer respondent questions, and more. After comprehensive training, interviewers conduct test surveys for review by managers to ensure preparedness for the data collection to commence. At this point, interviewers are well prepared and the Geopol CATI application provides them with everything needed to independently conduct live call surveys. Now we will show you what the data collection process looks like. Please note that due to coronavirus-related precautions, most interviewers are currently conducting interviews from their homes with remote oversight from call center managers. Surveys can be administered in multiple languages, and call centers have interviewers who are fluent in all language options. First, the interviewer selects the survey they are going to work on. Next, they will input the targeted respondent's phone number. The app will then automatically call the respondent. If the respondent answers, the interviewer begins the survey.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Franklin. I'm calling you on behalf of Geopol. Yes, at Geopol. So we are contacting people throughout the country to learn more about the important issues in their communities. Yes, and I have a few questions for you today. Yes, it's a short survey. It should take approximately 5 minutes and your answers should be confidential. You will also be rewarded with 50 Naira in the next 2 days if you are eligible and finish the survey. Yes, that's right. Would you be willing to participate? Alright then, let's begin now. So, in what year were you born? 1982. Alright. And in which region among these does your household currently live in? We have North Central region, Northeast region, Northwest region, Southeast region, South-South region, or it's South-South region. Alright, thank you. You are male, right? Okay. And how many rooms do you have in your home? 2 sleeping rooms. Okay. Alright, those are all the questions I had for you today. Thanks a lot for your help in this, and we will be sending you your incentive in the next 2 days. Alright, thanks a lot and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Thanks, bye.
Once the survey has been completed, data is uploaded to Geopol's main server through the CATI application. The final step in the CATI process is monitoring and ensuring data quality. Geopol uses a 2-pronged approach for this. The first prong of data quality control takes place during steps 1 through 4 of the survey process, when our experienced call center managers oversee interviewers' activity during the workday and ensure interviewers stay on track and abide by Geopol's rules and processes. The other prong of protection is Geopol's quality assurance dashboard. Data from every call made through our CATI application is uploaded automatically into Geopol's quality assurance dashboard. This data is then analyzed remotely by Geopol's project managers who look for data errors or inconsistencies. If any errors or inconsistencies are found, they are always fully investigated and resolved before the data collection process for each project can be completed. At Geopol, we are highly committed to providing the highest quality data, which is why we're adamant about the rigor of our survey methodology. For more detailed information on any of the topics discussed in this video, please do not hesitate to contact us.